What's up my loves and welcome back to my channel. In today's design, we're going to be playing with some fire. If you're new to my channel, what's up? I'm SheDoesBeauty. We do nail tutorials and soon I'm going to be doing some get ready with me's and other videos, and I'm thinking about bringing mukbangs back. So I have a lot in store for this channel and I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me, and let's get started. First, I'm going to be using these fire decals from Secret Nail Affair. I will go ahead and link those in the description down below. I'm going to be using these holographic strips from ILY Nails. I had to think about that one for a second. I'll link her website down below as well. This is just a glitter mix that I made a while back, just combining a whole bunch of different glitters and holographic bits. I'm excited! So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and ombre the silver glitter with peach from Young Nails. I'm going to ombre that on this finger and this finger. Alright, so after you ombre that silver on the pinky and index finger, we are going to take the strips and we're going to put them on this one and this one. But first, if you like an exposed nail bed, you can go ahead and leave it just clear. But I don't like that, so I'm going to ombre again the peach acrylic and bring that down and just have the tip clear. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to add the flame and shred. Alright, and after we did that, we're going to file, shape, and buff these babies out, and then we're going to apply our top coat. right, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments down below with a diamond emoji if you would have blinged these out, because I think they look cute and I think the stickers and the glitter is just enough. But I'm the queen of bling, so I did want to add bling, but I'm just gonna leave them a little bit on the quote-unquote simple side. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little design. Please leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next. If you're new around here, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this, hit that like button. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.